Yo, okay, hold on. Let's see. Can you guys hear me now? Hear me now? Let me see. What is going on, guys? Trying to get this set up so you guys can hear me properly. So you guys can hear me. Oh, you guys can now. Okay. What is up, family? How are you guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What is 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 up? All right. So, what we're gonna do, right? Thank you for hopping on last minute, guys. 10 p.m. What I'm gonna do is some live market markets for you guys. So obviously, right now, I don't usually take trades or anything. So it's just gonna be some markups for London session, for New York session, just what I'm looking for. So if you are trading later tonight or tomorrow or the rest of the week, I can show you some setups, things I'm looking for, and we can do some Q&A. Okay. What's up, Kenny? I'm good, my brother. How are you? A lot of background noise. Hold on, chat. Okay. Is this better? What's up, bro? All right, I'm trying to get everything right here. Let's see. Okay. Sounds fine. Sound better. I'm very loud now. Okay. All right. It's not a bad thing. Good morning, Moana. How are you? They said I'm very loud. Went from Joey. No, I'm not trading live in the morning, my brother. Uh, we'll be trading tomorrow night though, Asian session. So not in the morning, but tomorrow night. Asian session tomorrow. Not New York. Lakila, how are you? How are you? How are you? Okay, hold on. Yo, this is it's a little different. This is a little different, I'm not gonna lie. Because the StreamYard is just like making everything go really slow. What's up, Best Lyrics? How are you? Sound like I got a microphone now? All right, okay. All right, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. And then we'll start. So give me like 2 minutes and then I'm going to start looking at the charts. All right. Give me a second. Give me a second. Okay, can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me clean now? Let me see. I changed my computers. Sorry about that. Let's see. I switched to my other laptop, y'all. For some reason the other laptop was lagging because of the stream. Like it was fine, but once I started to stream, it just like couldn't load a thing. And I'm sitting here like, what is going on with my life? Okay. So this laptop's a gaming laptop. It has way more power. I'd be damned if my session gets messed up. So, all right. So you guys can hear me now? Everything good? Everything good? Okay, cool. Let me see. My bad, y'all. I had to switch laptops, man. I had to switch laptops. Okay, cool. All right. So can you guys see gold? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up, guys? What is up? What is up? Y'all can hear me? Let's see here. Hold on. What is up? What is up, family? How are y'all? How are thou? Okay, everything good? Okay, Danita and Adia, Erica, thank you guys. Appreciate that. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna post. I'm gonna post one last time to see if everybody's in here. I'm gonna say we're live. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, cool. Let me okay, cool. All right. What is up, family? Technical difficulties, all right? But it's all right. I'm not a quitter, you feel me? I'm not gonna let one of my laptops mess up the session. I'm just gonna grab the other one. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. And they're both brand new. The hell? The heck is going on here? What's up, y'all? How are y'all? Block. Someone posting crypto. Block. Yeah, I already got a Moana. Blocked. Come on now. You would think they know better. What's up, Lucretia? You didn't miss me. Okay, that's rude. She said I didn't miss you. You better. What's up, Raina? What's up, guys? What's up, Mel, Chad, Mon, Danita, Linda? How are you guys? Zell, Sherry. What's up, y'all? What's up? Y'all good? Okay, cool. All right. We back. Back like I never left. All right. Back like I never left. Let's look at some charts. Okay. So what time is it? 10 o'clock. So really, I'm going to give you guys pre-London setups and also kind of New York setups, right? So if you're going to trade London today or if you're going to trade New York tomorrow, let's look to see what's happening in the market right now, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at DXY. All right, let's look at the DXY. And I'm going to remove these right here. And let's see what happened today. All right, because I did have it dropping lower and it held structure and popped up. It held up and popped up pretty nice today. Okay, so let us see here. Okay, well, this is a pretty good indication. All right, so On the daily chart on the DXY, okay, guys, right? Let me remove all the drawings, okay? On the DXY here, we got really, really bullish around this area here, right? A really nice big bullish engulfing. The dollar has been dropping like crazy, so this is a steady and healthy correction. Let's put it that way. It's a healthy correction in the market. Okay, because if the dollar was to continue to just drop from here, that would be alarming. Okay, if the dollar decided to drop without any retracement, drop, it would mean that the dollar is going to crap. Okay, and we don't want the dollar to go to crap. Hey, it can drop, but we don't want it to go to the dirt. Okay, really. So, a way that you could have anticipated that the dollar was going to pop up, let's say in today's session, again, guys, is every day you want to look at the weekly. For me, I really like the 3-day. That's just one of my personal favorites. As you see, it's really bullish on the 3-day. Anyway, but the daily chart actually gave you a really nice bullish engulf. Well, not really nice. It's pretty ugly, actually. But what ended up happening is momentum ended up breaking this area here, this line here. Oh, what the heck did I draw? Oh, okay, it was like a line tool or something. My bad. Okay. I didn't know you could do that. Right. So it ended up breaking this level, basically the high of this daily candle. It ended up pulling back into it and then getting really bullish. So because it held this line here, and again, I will explain this in the 3 and 6 week bootcamp. So this level here, because after the bullish engulfing candle, this level was respected. Okay, we now have bullish momentum coming into the dollar. Okay, so because this level was respected, all right, so these are certain things you have to get really good with understanding levels and zones in the market, and when it holds certain levels, that momentum is going to be shifted, meaning like buyers are more controlled than the sellers, or sellers are more controlled than the buyers. You have to understand that there's no way around it. And if you're going to be an intraday trader, you have to see this clearly. It can't happen to you like, oh, I kind of see it. Sometimes I don't, sometimes I do. You have to be able to pick up on this. Okay, you have to understand and visually see when the momentum is shifting. So when you see on the daily, like, hey, it's completely reversing on the daily, on the higher time frames, right? And then it's not only reversing, but now it's holding this zone. What I mean by that, it's not breaking beneath that level. So when you go to, like, let's say the 4-hour now, and we start to pull back here, right? And it pulled back just back to this level that we had, which is our daily level here. Okay. And I'll delete this one so you guys can see. So the daily level right here. Now we're on the 4-hour, right? It pulls back into that, pulls into it. So that was kind of crazy. And then pops up. This was like, I think, so it's like, 11 o'clock. So it popped up. Then at 11 o'clock, reversed. So I was like at the end of New York session. And then it popped up again. Then it held it. Okay. And then went to the next level, which was like up here. So basically, what did it do? Look, I'll show y'all. So we're going to delete this one because I don't think it's bearish, super bearish anymore, because now it's holding structure. So now what did it do? Actually broke structure, pulled back down to structure at the 2 point. Again, when did I tell you guys to buy? It's the 2, right? Broke. So it retested this level, rejected this level, and then went to the next zone. You guys see that? Okay. So because now it has broken structure on the higher time frame, we were temporarily bullish on the dollar. Okay. And then now it depends how it handles this level. Again, if it holds this level, it's still going to remain bullish. Okay. So it's really about understanding when you have that break of market structure. Okay. The break, so it was in a downward momentum. How did you know it was going to go up? The break of market structure, right? This zone was the key level to alert you that, hey, the dollar is now going up. Does that make sense, guys? You can hear me, right? Let me see. Let me check the chat. Let me make sure you guys are with me. Learning new things every day. Seeing it on the monthly mail. Okay, I'm gonna check it out, bro. I'm gonna check it out real quick. I hit my favorite bar on TradingView and don't know how to get it back. Kamisha, you hit it. You hit it, girl. You hit your favorites. Oh, okay. One way to do it is just highlight something new. So like hit highlighter. Like I hit highlighter. It should pop up, and then it should be somewhere on your screen. So just favorite something, and it should pop up. You should be able to see it again, like the favorite bar. Okay. Anyway, so you guys see where we're at with the dollar. Look, so now in real time, it makes sense why we're up here, right? We had the clean as market break, market structure break, and retest at this level. Clean, right? So today, right, you should have looked at the dollar like, hey, it's going to go up for today because it's holding this level, right? You should have seen that it was way more bullish than it was bearish for today, even though the overall bias is bearish, right? We have the clean market structure break here. So now, that's just the past. Let's talk about today. Let's talk about right now. Let's talk about what we can expect moving forward for the rest of the week. For me, right? Let's go to the daily. Okay. And this is actually a pretty good level on the daily here. This is actually a pretty good level. So it really depends for me how the dollar handles this area. If it rejects it hard, and by New York session, like let's say we have a nice M or something here at this level, market structure break, cool. Dollar's going down. That means it's going down. It's going to drip. Okay. That's what I'm going to really wait for on the dollar, probably by New York tomorrow session, because I'm going to trade New York session tomorrow. Probably. Well, not probably. I am. So that's what I'm going to wait for. If we get a lot of rejection around this area on the dollar, then that would mean that the dollar is going to continue downward for tomorrow. Fine by me. Now, if the dollar, however, stagnates, holds this level, what do you guys think that means? So what if the dollar does something like this? Like, I'm just gonna consolidate, chop. What do you think is gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen at that point? Talk to me. Okay. Okay, it's going to consolidate and it's probably going to get bullish again. All right, if it starts to break this level up here. Okay, if the dollar starts to get to the 102 level, I'd say, yeah, the 102.6, the 102.7 level. If it starts to get up here and hold, like that's going to mean for sure it's going up to the next level up here somewhere. That means the dollar would be getting bullish. So okay, again, if we think in terms of zones, it's at this zone, rejected, this is a goodbye. It's at this zone here, so guess what? I can't really do anything. Think of like Tetris or think of blocks. right? Think of a little Tetris block. And now you have to figure out, okay, are we going to buy or sell it? But it's at the zone. So for us as traders, we want to react off of the zone. We don't want to predict the zone. Hey, is it gonna be a sell or is it gonna be a buy? We don't know. So for me as a trader, I just want to react off the rejection of this level. That's where I'm at with the market on the DXY. So go on the 4 hour, and really it's a waiting game. It's a patience game. Okay, and this is a nugget that you can use to kind of alert you. So what I'll do, right? This is the hack. You put an alert here, and then you put an alert here, and then what have you done now? You've trapped the market. This is a gem. Listen, this is a gem. When the market is at a zone like this, right? And you don't know what it's gonna do, what you do is you don't take the damn trade. Instead, you put an alert above, like really a couple points above the zone, your zone, or a couple points beneath your zone. Okay. And at that point, you'll get alerted on your phone once it hits that level so that you'll see when the volume is kicking in and when it's going to reject that level, because it's going to go up or down. I don't care. But guess what? I want to be there once it's starting to reverse. So I put my alerts, and that's going to signify to me when the volume is kicking in. Right? So if it starts to get bearish and hits my alert, guess what? It's probably going to be a sell. If it gets bullish, hits this level, probably going to be a buy. That's how you hack the system. You don't have to sit here and stare at it all day. You just have to put alerts and understand where it's at in the market. That's a gem. That's a gem. I didn't even expect to drop that, but I'm just saying. Does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Kenny said it happens to me all the time. Okay, like, let me see. I'm like 3 minutes behind. And no, you're good, Lorenzo. You're good, bro. Don't beat yourself up, my guy. How to get the favorite ball on iPhone, Lorenzo? I don't think so, bro. I don't know. Download the TradingView app on your phone. Okay. Angela said that was fire. Okay, I got y'all. Fernando, Mel. All my boot camp people here. What's up, y'all? Y'all really ready, huh? Y'all ready? Y'all really ready? Okay. I'm gonna give you everything, man. I'm giving y'all the heat, the gems, the nuggets, everything. The sweet and sour sauce, the dessert, everything. Okay. So when you're at these zones, guys, right, especially on the higher time frames, you trap price with the alerts. And so what you want to do, if you haven't, by the way, guys, if you have not downloaded TradingView for your phone and connected your account to TradingView on the app, you need to, because that is how you'll get the alerts. So I don't really use TradingView app, but the reason why I have it downloaded is because when I have alerts, right, I get it to my phone. Excuse me. So I'll get alerted on my phone. Easy. Okay. You if you're paying pro, which most of you I think have, right? Or whatever paid subscription you have for TradingView, at least you have the basic paid subscription. I don't know if they do it for free. Do they do alerts for free, guys? I don't know. But I know with the pay version they do. So you have to download the app, and then once you have price, or you're in an area where price is consolidating at a level, right? A very key level. Then all we're gonna do is trap price, put the alerts above and below this area here, and wherever it goes is where we're going. Because if the dollar drops down here, it's probably going to start selling off. This will probably be some type of formation up here. It could be a head and shoulder or something, but it's going to start to drop. Cool. Then we'll know that the momentum's kicking in. If it starts to break and the dollar starts to go all up here, cool. Then we know it's getting really bullish. So roughly, if you're gonna, I would say probably around New York session tomorrow, we will know, okay, what the dollar wants to do. So anything with the dollar, I would not touch until I know for a fact where it wants to go. Does that make sense, y'all? That's a brief analysis on the dollar really quick. Okay, makes sense? Y'all rocking with me? Okay, let's see. Free version give you... Okay, Mel said the free version gives you one alert at a time. Oh, okay. See, I can put multiple free alerts because I have the pay version. So again, just another benefit if you have the free version or the paid version, guys. And you know, I'm I don't I don't make a lot of money from promoting TradeView, but I'm just saying it's worth it. That's again, these small little things are going to help you. It's those small little things, okay, where you don't have to sit here and monitor the chart. I can just sit here and wait, and once I get my confirmation or my alert, boom, okay, I'm gonna check the DXY, see what's going on, get in the trade, baby. It's that simple. Okay, all right, cool. So we're done the DXY. Let's look at some other stuff. AU, let's see what AU's doing. AU's like choppy and weird, and AU's choppy and weird. Okay, let's just say what it is. AU's choppy and weird. I'm not touching AU. You're trash. See this? This is trash. This is trash. Look at the 1 hour. Trash. Why do I want to trade this nonsense? It was a good buy, I think, for New York though. Well, but you know, trash. So not even gonna look at this. Okay. Not even gonna look at AU because it's not worth looking at. It's not worth looking at. Let me show you why. Just for those who may be a little not understanding of what's going on. Okay. It's really just kind of wedging. It's in this consolidation on the higher time frame. It's going back and forth, back and forth. To me, it's like there's no clear momentum, right? It hasn't really, there's a lot of levels that you can draw here. There's a zone here, and there's really a zone here, and it's really consolidating. So for me personally, I'm not touching it, especially, you know, it's not the time to touch it anyway. Okay, so AU, again, one of my favorite pairs, but I don't know. I'm still overall bullish. Because I think it's probably going to do something like this. It's going to consolidate and then pop up. But who knows? I could be wrong. What if the dollar starts to get really, really bullish and just, you know, start to take off for the rest of the week? Well, then once AUD breaks really this level, then I know what's going on. So what do I do? This is what I do, guys. Put an alert right here. Look, again, I'm using the same philosophy I told you. Look, I don't know what it's doing, right? So what I'll do is I'll put an alert here and I'll put an alert here. Because if I like AU that much, right, what I want it to do is to really show me market structure break. And since it's consolidation, I want it to break out the consolidation. I don't want to trade in this crap. You can, y'all see, y'all can keep that. I don't want it. I'm going to trade when this thing is moving. So once it makes clear momentum, then I'm going to sell. Once it makes clear momentum to the upside, then I'm going to buy. I don't care. I'll wait. And you don't have to sit there and wait all day. You can set your alerts. Beautiful people. Simple. So you see, again, I trap price on AU. I'll figure out what it wants to do. I'm not going to sit here and stare at charts all day. I'm just going to wait for price to hit my level. And then I'm going to look at the charts. Get on my phone. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. Money time. All right. Let's look at AJ. All right. Let's look at AJ. AJ, AJ's super bullish. Yikes. Super bullish, right? AJ super bullish. I like AJ. But again, this is another pair that I think is it's dangerous right now. Cuz it's like it's near these highs up here. It's very dangerous. AJ, I would not touch. You know, because we don't know if it's going to break this level. So these were previous highs over here. It is now hitting this level. We don't know if it's going to really reject and drop, or we don't know if it's going to go up. These are pretty significant highs, guys. Like this level is pretty significant on AJ. And we know the overall momentum of AJ is bullish, right? So if we sold here, it'd be counter trend. So it's like, do I really want to do that? Not really. Do I really want to buy here? Do I want to buy at previous market highs? That doesn't seem good either. So buying or selling is pretty trash right now on AJ. Do you guys see? You guys see that? It's pretty trash because if I sell, it's counter trend. If I buy, it's at market highs. So why the hell would I even touch AJ right now? I'm good on that. I want easy trades. I don't want my life to be difficult. So AJ, you're trash right now. I'm good. Let's look at gold. I love me some gold. I like gold. I'm not gonna lie, I love gold, y'all. Gold is so lit right now. All right. So gold actually looking like a good sell. Gold actually looking like a good sell. It continues to break down. We actually could probably start selling it, to be honest, y'all. Let's see here. Let me see on the daily. Or the daily here. Okay. Made a kind of nice M structure pattern here. I like gold for the sells. I like gold for the sells, guys. Okay, I'm not in it or anything. I'm just saying I like gold for the sells. Overall, sells on gold I like. Okay. So gold could be possibly setting up for London session. Not bad. Okay. So this is what I'm looking at with gold. Possible sell, but I would want, again, now I'm just going through things quickly, guys, for y'all. But I would want gold to break structure and then I can start selling it off. All right. So that's why I'm kind of putting all these alerts down here because I want to get alerted once gold starts to like drop, break structure, and then I'll get in on a pullback, something like this, and start to sell it. See if it really looks good. Now I'm going to assume that's probably going to be around London session. So gold could possibly be a good sell-off to the previous lows here. Could possible. So I'm not in it, but I'm just saying it's setting up. It's a possibility. All right, so gold, okay. We may have a move. Nas is also my baby. And I caught this sick sell on Nas today. This sell, I don't mean to brag, but this sell was sick. I was selling like right here. And I just, woo. Some of you guys maybe saw my post. I was just scaling in that thing. Easy. Okay. And I'll show you guys how to see that move in real time in the boot camps, by the way. So if you're not in the boot camps, shame on you because you're not getting it. But for those who invested into themselves, you will get it. All right. So I'll show you guys step by step everything, how I compound into NAS, what I look for, all that type of stuff. But it's fire. So without giving it away too much, NAS is consolidating. Okay. It is consolidating, and I don't really like NAS right now. I don't really like NAS right now. As far as like what do I see with it, I'm not too sure. Not too sure. Like it's slowly downtrending. So I'm definitely more bearish than bullish, but I'm definitely more bearish than bullish on NAS at this point. But it's like I need kind of more momentum with NAS before I start selling it. So again, I think it's another pair that we just have to wait for. I think like it's gonna probably pop up again and then continue to drop. Something like this is what I'm anticipating with London or New York. Something like that. Okay. Something like that. All right. Something like this. So I can't get into NAS, but just showing you guys what I'm looking at so you can just see my main pairs really, really quickly, right? Like how I'm looking at the dollar for this week. And I honestly feel like if it sticks and consolidates, the dollar is going to get bullish. And then again, that should also push gold down, which again, that's why it's going to go down. And then that should also, I think, push NAS down, which would, be a huge correction as well. Because NAS was like mad bullish for, a good amount of time. So all these things I think are going to happen. We'll see. All right. And that's really it, guys. Okay, so give me some pairs. Let me see what you guys want me to mark up. And I'll hop off of here at 11. Okay, y'all like the little markups real quick? What's up? Talk to me. Let me look at the chat. Cassandra said, I invested in me. Yeah, Cassandra. That's what I like to see. That's what I like to see. You got some of that too, Mel? Okay, I see you, my brother. Randy said, I'm all in. Listen, if y'all ain't in the boot camps, today's the first day. All right, listen. By the end of the week, we are closing enrollments. Don't come to me on Sunday night, say, Ryan, can I get into the boot camps? Ryan, can I get in the VIP? Ryan, I'm trying to get the NAS train. I'm trying to get the compound train. I'm trying to get the journaling stuff from Max. No, it's a no. It's a no, no, no. Hey, Ryan, are you doing this in 2-3 months? No. Are you doing this later this year? No. No, I'm not doing anything. So, if you want to level up in trading, you have to be an action taker. Now, I'm not waiting a year. By next year, I'm on a private island somewhere. Do you understand? I'm on a private island somewhere, and I'm having 3 beautiful women fan me, okay, like the Greek god that I am, and feed me grapes. I'm not here teaching you. Do you understand? So please do not come to me telling me, oh, I want to get mentorship. No, it's a no. Okay, I'm just letting you know. So it would be in your best interest to go to thetradeauthority.com. Go to the premium mentorship. You see this sexy face right here? Yeah, that's me. And you should sign up right here, the premium mentorship. Maybe you should click it. It's a bit.ly link. Hey, maybe it takes you somewhere. It might be nice, okay? Or you can do the VIP mentorship. And what I would advise you to do, because it is very cheap for what we're giving to you. And this is the cheapest it will ever be. Okay? You can get a 4-week boot camp of us working with you every day for 4 weeks. Okay, look. You click the link, boom, right here. All right, that's the price. Simple. Okay? Make the investments yourself. All right? And if you want the VIP, boom, the VIP is there too. That's if you want, that one-on-one type of mentorship for 2 months. I'm just saying. Okay. Back to regular scheduled programming. That was the commercial break. Okay, y'all? So, if you're not in, you're playing yourself. All right? You're playing yourself. So, let's see. Let me look at some pairs. Or let me answer some questions. Do y'all got questions for me? Or pairs to look at? Let's check. The boot camps are fire, y'all. Diamond said AU's moving. We can check AU. I don't really like it, Diamond. I'm just gonna wait for my levels to hit. I'm waiting for them to hit, my brother. UJ, we can look at UJ best lyrics. VCQX at GU. Okay, we could check that. Linda said, I'm with you without the women though. See, Linda, no. The difference between me and you is I need the women. I need the 3 beautiful women fanning me, feeding me grapes and pineapples while I soak and get my tan. I let my body get a nice glow from the sun. You feel me? While God is shining down on me. It's just, a requirement for Ryan. So, Kamisha said, what would be a good second pair to have? I have AU only. Kamisha? Or maybe it's Kamisha. I don't want to, hold on. It's definitely Kamisha. It's not Kamisha. I'm sorry. I definitely butchered your name. My bad, girl. All right. Second pair. If you're a beginner, AU is a good pair. What's another good pair, y'all? I'm not gonna say UJ. If you're a beginner, I wouldn't say Gold or Naz because they can be crazy. UJ can be crazy sometimes too. I mean, not Euro USD. I would say like AJ NJ. NU. So NZD USD, NZD JPY, NZD USD, AUD USD, AUD JPY. See, look, okay. Dollar's getting bullish, I think, y'all. Look at this nonsense. There we go. I think the dollar, I really feel the dollar's gonna get bullish here. It's holding. I just have that feeling, that gut feeling, you know? That gut feeling. I'm gonna move my line a little bit here. Because once this thing gets bullish, it's like I think it's gonna pop up, and it's like, yeah. Because it looks like I think AU wants to drop. AJ even looks like she wants to just retrace. And these are all kind of just, I feel, like market retracements, and then it could possibly go up again, or there's so many different variables and outcomes that can happen right now. So you have to really be safe in the market at this point. It's a lot of uncertainty in the market right now. Uncertainty. And guess what? I don't like uncertainty. I like to be certain of things, okay? Not uncertain. All right? Do y'all feel me? So I'm not gonna get in any trades right now or anytime soon, at least for my pairs. I can't speak on your guys' pairs, but my pairs, I'm just waiting. UJ, so someone said UJ. Someone said the UJ. So clearly UJ is bullish as all living hell. All right. And clearly it's mad bullish. Clearly UJ's mad bullish. But here's my thing though, is like we are really at kind of like a really crazy consolidation level. You can just go to the line chart, okay? Go to the line chart, then like go to like the 4 hour or something, and you'll see like this level here is pretty strong. Like this whole zone here is pretty strong. A lot of consolidation in the past around this area. So, do you really want to buy UJ around here? It's risky. You're going with the trend, but it does have a chance, right, to reject this area and just and drop. Does it not? Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it not want to retrace after going 1, 2, 3, 4 days up, right? At least a retracement down, a healthy retracement, I would assume, right? Things don't go up infinitely. It's not gonna go up every day, all day, buy, and never a sell, right? So for me, I don't like where it is. That's all. I don't like where it is, right? Because if I sell it, it's counter trend. If I buy it, it's at these highs, just like AJ. Just like AJ, it's kind of the same thing. I don't like the area that it's at. So what do I do? What do I do if I don't like the area that UJ's at, guys? What do I do? Please tell me in the chat. What do I do? What do I do? Kamisha said NFP is on Friday. Exactly, guys. And you have to be careful because NFP is Friday as well. NFP is coming. I ain't scared of NFP. All right. But I'm just saying. Exactly, Fernando. You put your alerts, sit on your hands. You just got to wait. So the one thing I'm going to teach you guys in the boot camps is the alerts. How I use the alerts, how you can save yourself time and energy and confusion in the market when you have the alerts. And this is something that I really use. I taught it to myself. This isn't some method that I learned from someone. This is how I actually really trade. And it's helped me immensely become way more patient, okay, and see clearer moves. Okay, so I'll show you guys. I'll have a whole training on how to use the alerts properly, right? So that you can analyze, put certain alerts, walk away. You don't have to sit there and like, oh, I'm gonna watch these charts for 2-3 hours. I don't got time for that. All right. If we're gonna trade, like you guys know, I'll trade with you guys in New York session. We'll trade for a couple hours together, whatever. But that's because it's New York session, my best session. I'm gonna sit there and watch the charts. But you don't have to. You can, if you just understand what the zones and levels are in the market, you can identify these levels, put those alerts, and walk away and wait for the alerts to get hit. Simple. It's a beautiful thing, actually. It's gonna really give you a lot of time. It's gonna give you your time back. Okay. Michael said my alerts don't make any sound. Is that normal? I get my alerts on my phone, man. So who cares about the sound? right? I would have them. If you always have your phone on you, that's the way to do it. But you should get the alert on your computer screen as well. What's the relation? No, okay, no problem, Tony. Listen, I see them. I see it. So what you want to do is you want to create a standard account on Prevail on the broker. What's the relation? Which one is which? Okay. First of all, don't die, girl. Okay, that's the first thing. She said, "I'm dead." You're not dead. You're on my session. You're alive. First of all. Second of all, I'm gonna have a whole broker webinar set up. I guess I can probably do that tomorrow with you guys. Okay. So I'm actually gonna get very involved in the chats and all that type of stuff tomorrow. So I got you, homie. I got you. But you can make a standard account, a standard live account, or you can make a demo account, and both should work. I would advise making a demo account to start out, and if you're gonna make a live, do the standard. It's because there's different types of accounts you can make. Make a standard live account. Okay. If you're still lost, then I'm doing the class tomorrow for the boot camp people, not for free, for my boot camp people. Okay, and I'll go over it with you guys. Right. Exactly, Sarwa. She said, find another pair or put alerts on. There you go. Okay. So that's how I'm looking at it, guys. All right. I got 3 more minutes. I love y'all to death, but I got 3 more minutes. I just wanted to kick it with you guys and show you some stuff. Okay. So you see here how I'm waiting for the dollar to really, how it's going to hold this level. Whether it's once a drop, go up, I don't know. Because I don't know whether it's going to consolidate and drop, right? Or I don't know if it's going to consolidate, slowly pull up, and then start to get bullish. Either way works for me. I don't care. I just want to see where it goes. Make sense, guys? And I will teach you guys how to do this every day of your trading so you don't miss clean setups and you understand what you're looking for, and you consolidate your time so that you're not, sitting there studying charts or looking at charts for hours and hours, just waiting and waiting, waiting. Okay. Let's see. When is the next bootcamp session? Tamara. Oh, this is the last bootcamp. Thank you, Erica. Appreciate you on me. So this is it started today, but this week is really orientation, guys. Okay, so it's orientation, and we're going everything with you this week. Okay, so you can get in. The last day to sign up is Sunday. After that, no one will be allowed. But we are starting today, so get in ASAP. Okay? I'm not going to tell you again. All right? Get in. Stop playing with yourself. I'm joking, but Renee said, how do I set zones? So you use the I don't know if you mean the alerts or the actual rectangular boxes like this here. But when you go to the left-hand screen and you go to the third symbol down and you hit rectangle, so trading is so cool because it's like if you were good in geometry class, you can do this. Okay, rectangles. I got my little circle here. I got my little lines here. I got my equilateral triangle. Okay, my obtuse angle, my Pythagorean theorem. I got all that. What's up? Talk to me nice. I was in honors algebra, honors calculus, all that. Who knew I would need basic geometry? I don't even need to know all that crazy calculus crap. Just give me a circle and a line and a rectangle. Yay. Okay, but yeah. All right, the rectangle works. Okay. What else? Let me see. How do you determine where you put your zones? Okay, Renee. Well, unfortunately, my dear, I can't go over all that right now because I'm about to leave. Right, but I will. Guess where I will go through that. Just take a wild guess. You take a wild in the boot camp. Yeah. All right. I will in the boot camp, guys. I promise. I'm gonna go through all that with you guys from A to Z. Okay. Um, the trade www.thetradeauthority.com. What time frame are those zones drawn on? Brandon, I can't tell you all that information. He wants to know what time frames my zones are drawn on. You probably want to know, like, I can't give you all that personal information, man. You're getting too close, okay? What, you want to know how tall my daughter is too? You want my social security number? You want to know the time frames? I can't listen, man. You're getting too close for me, bro. I don't roll that way. All right. No, I'm joking. I draw my zones basically on the intraday time frames, man. So a lot of times they'll be on the 1 hour or 4 hour. Not really the daily as much, but sometimes I will do the daily as well when it's a significant level. So like this DXY, this was a super big daily level, significant level, but mainly on the 1 hour, 4 hour daily. So if you want to put my zone time frames on specific, or my zones on specific time frames, it would be the daily, the 4 hour, the 1 hour. Those I believe are good time frames to draw your zones. Quick, short answer. There you go. You're welcome, my friend. Claiborne said 45-minute. The F? Listen, hold on. Claiborne, my brother. My godly brother. All right. Hopefully you believe in God. If you don't, maybe you should. But my man said 45-minute because I'm very unique. Do you understand, Claiborne? When God created me, he said this one's special. He's going to do some things that people just are going to be like, that's weird. And the 45-minute time frame is one of those time frames that I make a lot of freaking money off of. And I've actually told my students this, like Mel, I think Mel, you probably remember. But some of my students who are on here, they know the reason why I have the 45-minute. There's a specific reason. It's not a random, see, it looks random to the untrained eye, but the 45-minute is actually a very strategic and useful time frame. And I'm not going to say why, because that would defeat the whole purpose of people getting the boot camps. Okay, that's why you got to pay to play. All right, I'm not just going to give you all the gems. I'm going to give you some. All right, I'm going to give you a lot, but I can't give it all. All right, I can't give it all, but I will say this: the 45-minute time frame has helped me make a lot of money, and I will go exactly into why it works. I also will tell you that in Asian session, look at the 45-minute. Okay, it's a very powerful time frame. That's it. But I'm gonna tell you, my brother, it's actually a good time frame. All right. There's a little just run that social. Okay, I got. Okay, guys. I mean, it's at Ryan Grinds. Okay, at Ryan Grinds on IG. It's very simple. Okay, I'm a at Ryan Grinds on IG. All right, and Snapchat. Stephanie, so there will be another boot camp in TTA. No, Steph, this is the last boot camp, literally for the year. The next thing that we're gonna do after these boot camps will be the live. We're gonna do a live conference in the fall. So we'll do a conference. So that will be where you can actually learn from us live on stage with us for a couple days. We'll do like a 5-day live crash course learning, live training, all like physically. Like I'm in your face. Imagine me in your face talking to you like I'm talking to you now. Yeah. I know you can't wait. It's okay. I can't wait neither. But I'm just saying. In the meantime and in between time, we're doing things virtually on Zoom. Renee, we're going to do Vegas. Vegas is one of my favorite spots. I'm always in Vegas. So we're going to do Vegas. But that won't be the first conference. But Okay. Any last questions, guys? That's it. I just want to rock with you guys, say what's up, give you kind of my analysis really quick, answer some questions for anyone who needs it. Stephanie said, "Come to Denver." I will. Denver, Colorado, the Rockies. I've always wanted to go snowboarding in Colorado, so that's that's on the bucket list, Steph, for sure, for sure. Shell Bell, no problem. You're very welcome. Lo. You're very welcome. Very welcome. Any other questions, guys, about the boot camps, charts, anything? Renee, I'm in Pennsylvania. I'm in Philadelphia, actually. I'm in Philadelphia. West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playgrounds where I spend most of my days. Shooting out like saying back to all cool, shoot some people, lots of school, and a couple of guys. They were up to no good. Started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got it. Y'all know. Y'all know what's up. All right. Thanks as always for pouring into us. No problem, Brianna. No problem. Marquita, how are you? How do I sign up to the premium for my computer? It won't let me sign out and back in. Okay, hold on, girl. Let me drop. Well, what I'm gonna do, I'll drop the direct links for you guys. Look, so let me drop the link. So you can always email us if you have any problems. Okay. So any problems signing up or any questions, you can email us at thetradeauthority@gmail.com. But also here's the direct. I said dialect. The heck is wrong with me? Um, the direct links. Okay, here's the direct links, and so try those. Try those. Just so you know, look, Queen Terry B. She said I got a request from Backup Ryan Grinds. That's a faker. He's a faker. There's a lot of fake Ryans out here. Okay, please report these people. It's pissing me off. It's really pissing me off. I only have one IG, y'all. Ryan Grinds. That's it. No backup, no double S's, no nothing. That's it. Okay. So when you see them trying to get you into some crypto bull crap, please laugh at them, throw them the middle finger, and say, "I'm sorry." No deal. Okay. Literally just it's people trying to scam off my name. It's pissing me off. And it's like about 50 of them. So clearly it's someone. Clearly somebody don't like me, y'all. Clearly it's someone who does not like me because it does not stop. So it is someone trying to take me down. It is someone who is trying to rip my reputation from me. And guess what? I laugh at it because my reputation can't be ripped down. Okay? I'm God's favorite. Do you understand? I'm God's favorite. So no weapon formed shall prosper against me. So they can keep trying all they want, but it ain't gonna work. It is after 11, guys. So I love you all. I love you. See, Sir was good with the time clock, but I do gotta get off, guys. So I just wanted to kick it with you guys, and because I couldn't hop on earlier, want to at least give you some value. Hopefully, you guys learned a little something. Again, just even the price alerts on zones, that's a gem. Okay. So just for everyone who's still okay, for anyone who's not in the boot camps, okay, I'm still doing another class tomorrow at 7 p.m. Oh wait, no, I don't know what time it'd be because I got to do a class with the boot camp guy, with my boot camp people. So I think we're gonna do 6 or 7 tomorrow as well too. No, we're doing the live session, so I'd have to do it earlier, but I will do a class tomorrow for free for everyone, but it'll probably be early, probably like 5 o'clock or something like that, because the boot camp people we're gonna look at Asian session. All right, so make sure if you're not signed up to go sign up, and if you're having any problem signing up, this is what I want you to do, guys. Okay. Um, trade. Look, if you have any problems signing up, I need you to do, or any questions, to go to thetradeauthority@gmail.com. If you have any questions, any concerns, anything you want to tell us, email thetradeauthority.com. Okay? Any questions, any problems, any concerns, my beautiful people. All right? Good night, guys. Love you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Mañana. We'll look at some charts, see if we can get any good moves, make some money. Okay. And then for those of you guys who are on the boot camps, I will see you on the inside. Your boy's about to be locked in with you guys for a whole 4 to 7 weeks. Lord help you, because you're going to need it. You have to put up with me every day. That's a task in itself. You understand? All right. Have a blessed night, guys. Have a blessed night, Steph. Everybody, Lakia, Kamisha, Steph, Sarwa. Good night, guys. See ya.